Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. Guess what? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and the market is still selling off, guys. The market is seriously selling off. And you know what? Yesterday, actually, we went live and we smashed the market. Even though I wasn't feeling good, actually, I have like toothache somewhere here. Maybe you can see I swelled a little bit, but today I think it's much better. We can still work, guys. We can still work. We can still push, actually. Yeah. So, but it's fine. This is something that happens most of the time, like maybe after 6 months and stuff like that. So there is this teeth growing up back there. So it takes time to get out, by the way. So what's really happening on the market? The market is actually crashing. Tomorrow we're waiting for Federal Reserve interest rates decisions that might create maybe some recoveries, or maybe we might start to see some sell-offs. You see, that it's actually crazy. So please, guys, let's stay safe in the market. Don't fight the market. If you are wrong in the market, don't fight the market. Get out. It's not easy, I know, but just learn to get out of the market. Mostly when we blow the accounts, guys, we don't blow accounts like from today, tomorrow, like in a monthly form. Let's say maybe you receive 30 signals. Mostly you don't blow the account with 30 signals. There is that day where you start to think otherwise, and that day is where you don't want to lose. Maybe you lost so much you want to recover, then that day is where you blow the account. But just imagine, what if maybe you took a different decision to say, maybe just because I lost this, let me just get out, maybe I'll just come back tomorrow. Maybe your account will still be safe. So let's try to do that, guys. I know it's not really easy, but you can try to do that. So yeah, for those who wants to join the team, guys, it's still $100. Still $100. So what's really happening there? I can see, let me increase the volume. So it's still $100, guys. That is actually the normal price for those who wants to join. Still $100. Let me know if you want to join the team. There is the contact. You can just talk to me there, right? I hope you're doing great, guys. If you are still new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe. So now we are on Bitcoin. You can see, or this is like daily time frame. So what's really happening here is you can easily see that, oh, the market actually seriously crashed. Where the market actually reached, the last time the market reached that area around 2020, December 2020, guys. That's crazy. That's like 200 billion worth of Bitcoin just disappeared very quickly. So yeah, that's, you can now understand that, yeah, it's seriously bad. I thought maybe Bitcoins, or let's say in general cryptos, I thought maybe they were like recession proof or inflation proof, but guess what? It's a different story, guys. I think it's a different story. You have to think twice, maybe in few years, but not now. So what we see is, we can easily see that actually the market is still selling. Let me go on a 4-hour time frame. I just wanted to show you what was actually going on. So what we see here is, we saw that the market, as I was preaching before, I said, you see the trend. The trend is still showing us that it's still going down. You see, it's still going down, but now we don't know where to place the support. We don't know where the market will create the support. So what we do is, we wait for the market to create this. Obviously, we're gonna mark that area and see if maybe the market will come back and respect that and break that again. If maybe it breaks that, we will see what we can do. But currently, you can see that, yes, the market is seriously on a sell-off. Don't fall for this type of small rejections, guys, without a better confirmation. Don't fall for that, because the market can still push lower. But yes, you can just mark that area and say maybe the market will come back and create something, maybe. But for us to say maybe we need to buy, the market has to break that area as a resistance. Then we can say, now it's our time to do what? It's our time to buy. But besides that, there's nothing we can do. We just need to wait. Now we are on German 40. German 40 has been selling also. So what's really happening here is, I think it's quite simple. After that breakout, but the market has been actually consolidating around this area since yesterday. So we did not really see some crazy moves. We saw some crazy move days before actually you see the breakout there. Then the market started to push the lower side. And I said, let's have a nice structure that we can rely on. Then the market was just consolidating there. So it means we just need to relax. But we have an area there. Maybe the market will come back around that area and respect that. If not, maybe we will see some sort of a breakout. This is not actually a resistance. It's just an area where the market reached before and respect. We just want to see if the market will come there and respect. But there is another chance for the market to do it, maybe to break that. It's possible. It's possible. So, but I'm still bearish actually on German 40. So let's push to okay. Let's push to gold. Okay, gold just give us something here. We can see that the market has been consolidating here, and now we see a breakout. Now it means it's our time to do what? To take that sell. We see a nice breakout. I am supposed to send that signal very quickly. I think everyone can see that the market was consolidating after that breakout, and now here we had a support. Here it was a resistance. The market broke out. I see a retest, which means I'm expecting the market to push the lower side. Simple as that. So we don't have to maybe think otherwise and say, oh, maybe no. We can easily see that very clearly. I think if I go to a for a bit smaller time frame, that is gonna be way too clear. But I can even see that even on a 4-hour time frame. So it means it's quite easy, guys. So I'm trying to be fast, guys. I'm trying to be fast. I have a toothache, so once I'm keep talking like this, I can start to feel the pain, and you know, the headache and stuff, they start to pop in very quickly. So, but I don't need that. So what's really happening? Actually, we are on an uptrend. We are on US oil, by the way. This is a nice uptrend. You can see that I sent the signal. I think it's yesterday. It's yesterday. You can see that. I think you also saw that because we were on a live session the time I was thinking about sending this. So you can easily see that obviously they are already in a small profit. So I'm expecting the market to push up, but this is actually an uptrend where I think the market will push the upside. So yeah, but if the market decides to break this area, it's where we expect maybe the market to go lower. But when the market goes lower like that, we don't say it's a downtrend. Nope. The market is just selling off or maybe retesting. It might come back and retest this area and push up again. You have to think about that. So yes, even though we are on this uptrend, I'm still expecting to buy, by the way. So before maybe we see another sell-off. But that sell-off will happen nicely if maybe Russia and Ukraine they find common grounds and say, you know what, let's stop whatever that we are doing. Then after maybe they can say, okay, maybe we can say oil might start to go lower nicely. But already there is some serious ban actually towards actually Russia. So that might makes it difficult actually for bounce back of this oil, as Europe, US no longer buy. They no longer want to buy Russian oil. You see, so this is what I see actually. That is what I see. You see, so let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is US30. So what do we see on US30? We see that the market is seriously, like way too seriously on that downtrend, guys. When we think maybe the market will recover, we still see that the market is on a downtrend. Please, guys, actually today I wanted to send a signal, but I said they should cancel that because I thought the market was creating something like this, but I think also it was also making sense to draw something like that. So let's go on let me just use 1 hour, something like this. Before it was something like this, because you see that, I think you see that it was something like that. So I thought maybe the market actually was trying to and maybe to break out, retest, and bounce back. But I start to realize that, you know what, we don't have to forget that we are still on a downtrend. Maybe the market was just trying to reverse a little bit, but it can still continue with that actually downtrend. This is what I see actually. I think this one is way much better. That's why I said my people should cancel that buy pending order. Now we have something like this. So what can we actually do? It's no longer easy, guys. It was easy maybe around these areas when we kept selling. So from now on actually, from now on, we just have to make sure that we wait a little bit. We wait a little bit here, and then the market keeps creating that structure. Already this is oversold, guys. The market can just push up way too easier. Yes, even though we understand that we are still on a downtrend, but the market might push up very aggressively, especially when there's news like that. So we just need to be careful. I don't really expect to trade today, guys. I will just wait for tomorrow when those news are released. It's where I can say, you know what, yes, let me do something. Or maybe if the structure is quite straightforward, you can see that here we is withdrawn whatever that withdrawn, but actually on my side I can see that this information here or this structure is not enough. Let's wait for another structure to happen so that we can connect nicely and say, yes, maybe this is going to continue on a sell or something like that. But besides that, sometimes we need to relax. Yes, we did kill the market, or we did eat, by the way. The market was actually here. Feb 2021, actually 2020. So this is a serious sell-off, guys. So on this type of sell-offs, most of the time you see this sell-off here, we might get some aggressive candlesticks like this trying to recover, even though the market can still keep going lower. But around these areas, the market can just push up aggressively, then push lower again. So that's why we need to be like way too careful, because everyone understands that the market is quite volatile now, and maybe they just want to be in the market, but actually it's not the right time to be in the market, especially when the market is expecting some news, economic news that might make things worse for us actually, because we have emotions and we need to control them. And I know there's no one who wants to lose. So for us to see the right decisions, sometimes we just need to relax. We just need to chill and see what's really happening in the market before we say maybe we need to sell or we need to buy. Yes, we see that we have a nice sell there, but a small rejection which is clear, nice and clear, that might make things much better. Then we can just keep selling. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So let's go straight to NASDAQ then also. So on NASDAQ also, guys, you can easily see that yes, the market is still on that aggressive move and aggressive sell-off. The last time the market reached that area, it was November 2020. So this is a crazy sell-off that we ever seen in the market, by the way. For those who don't know, this is like some serious sell-off. You can see that time of coronavirus is this area here. You see this rectangle here that I've drawn. I'm going to take it to where we are now. You can see how it does. So it's like almost 2 times that sell-off. But remember, when that recovery comes, we have to be ready and we have to see that, and we can run with that trend for some time. But currently, yes, the market is still selling. There's nothing we can do. What we can do is let's wait for small rejections, guys. So let's not fight the market. If I can I show you something here. I already drawn something there. This is 2 hours time frame. The charts won't fit the screen nicely because we have this aggressive moves, right? So it means, yes, I hope you will understand that the moves are aggressive. That's why we end up having this chart which they don't really fit in on the screen. And if we try to feed them, obviously you will see some seriously small charts. So that's why I'm trying to zoom here. So what I want here is quite simple. Maybe we can draw these things just to make everything to look more. We had something like that before. We had something like that before. So that's just to make this chart alive. So what's really happening currently is we see that the market has been selling. We did smash the market in the group. We also sold yesterday. I no longer remember where. But from this area, we can see that the market is actually selling. But if we check nicely, we also have some bullish candlesticks. So what's really happening there is we see that actually the market is ranging. The market is going up and down. It's not really safe for us. Even if you sold, the market will just come back. You sell, the market will come back up again. After, when you say maybe you think the market is going to buy, then the market goes down. Why? Because that it's actually a consolidation move there. You see, that's why I say let's wait. I think the best way is to wait for the market to open. Let's wait for the market to open, guys. For now, yes, the market might create something. We'll try. Sometimes we have to miss some moves, or if we force them, we will end up getting some fake moves, and sometimes we lose. Yes, sometimes we can make money, but most of the time, we might still lose. Yes, I still believe that the market might still go lower, but we need something. We need a better structure. Mostly we know very well that when we see this type of a sell-off, one way or even if things are bad, we might see an aggressive candlestick. Then after, the market might come back nicely again. But we don't really need that. We don't really need to jump on the market. Let's wait for the market to open. I'm not going to send any signal from now on. I will wait for the market to open. Actually, the best way is to wait for tomorrow for those news to be released, because now everyone is just talking about them. Then the market will just go up and down, you see. Then within few of these candlesticks, you can blow your account very easy. It's 1, 2, 3, very few candlesticks just going up and down. Some people, they blowing their accounts, which is seriously bad. I hope you learn something, guys. I hope you're gonna learn something. Let's be patient in this thing. We can all make it, by the way, by taking it slowly. So I don't know, guys. I think maybe we can still meet later on, but actually things are not really good here. I don't know. On my side, I don't really feel good, but maybe I'll just try, guys, just to maybe we can make some few cents, actually few dollars we can able to eat. It's not like seriously a big issue, but yeah, that's something, by the way. So for those who wants to join, it's still we have a special for $100. Monthly is $45. Let me know if you want to join the winning team. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, share with your friends. Bye.